There are two cutters. This one is our own cutter. This cutter is from another supplier. Let's see the difference. See, our cutter looks very nice. All details in good condition. And the cutter from another supplier, there are many flaws on the cutter. Firstly, you can see the same parts but different color looks not good. And also you see the blade not good. And there are many scratches on the blade. Also this side, see, looks different, not good. And here looks not good. And also this point, not good. And then the blade, not good. Okay, now let's compare the difference during operation. This one is our cutter. Now the handle is fully opened. And our cutter during operation, we don't need to fully open the handle. Just open half of the handle. You see, the blade can still move forward. Fully opened and half opened. Okay, and this is the cutter from another supplier. This is the handle fully opened. And if we just half open the handle, the blade doesn't move forward. You see, half open handle, the blade doesn't move forward. We have to fully open the handle. Half open, doesn't move forward. So in this condition, the cutting speed will be slower than our cutters. Okay, after we finish cutting, let's compare the difference between the two cutters. This is our cutter. We can move the blade very easily. Yeah, we can also manually move the blade like this, very easy. This is our cutter. And this is the cutter from another supplier. After cutting, if we want to move the blade, it is not easy. Need a great force on the blade, otherwise it cannot move forward. But our cutter very easy to move forward.